we had some infrastructure that was in dire need of replacement. And with Extreme's help and CompuNet's help, we were able to map out our network in a so much better way, find out all those gotchas, address them, and continuously move forward. That cost savings just in hardware costs alone was amazing. But then I was like, wait, if I were to go out and purchase this tool and this tool and this tool, you know, all of a sudden it was like, whoa, that's way over $1 million of savings instantly. And then tack on the professional services, our premier support, that's even more. You know, that pushes us, you know, probably $1.5 million over that time frame. Now I have a predictable budget every year.
Moving over to the Fabric was honestly like night and day. You're in a significantly better world and you're basically finding yourself significantly more taken care of. So replacing the equipment historically has been a nightmare. With the Fabric, all of that is out the window. You update the serial number in your CSV document and you plug in your switch to your core and you're off to the races. The longest downtime you're experiencing now with a switch crash is essentially how long it takes to get the hardware in. That's a wondrous experience now. Being able to watch it just go from out of the box into the rack in under half a day is a phenomenal change for the city of Everett, and I think we're really gonna enjoy partnering with Extreme.
They came in and replaced 98% of our Cisco equipment. We came up with a plan to implement NAC. Plus, we have visibility on our devices and our users on where they're connecting anywhere in our infrastructure, because I cannot buy a Cisco switch and have NAC. With Extreme, and especially with the NIAS setup, we have NAC.
A Fabric network is very different than a traditional network, as we've been talking about. The network service that is delivered can exist anywhere in the Fabric.
It's been, frankly, the best vendor experience I've ever had.